Hi there, welcome back to Spaceship Pro. When it comes to Shopify shipping, details like SKU and weight in your product info matter for taxes and customs. To seamlessly manage this information, automating imports is key. Try Shopify Product Sync for smoother shipping. Sync your Shopify products to seamlessly import shipment info. To get started, navigate to Products to import product details. You have the option to add products manually, import from Excel files, or sync directly from your Shopify stores. Sync from Shopify. Click your store and sync products. When you see a green tick next to products, it's completed. And you can see all your Shopify products are on Spaceship Pro. Now you can sit and relax for hassle-free shipping. Please note that products without SKU on Shopify and those with existing SKU on Spaceship Pro will not be synced. Set up packaging size and item to get precise quotation. Click on Store Integration and Shipment Details. Find Packaging Size and Item and input your info. When there are new orders synced from Shopify, we can auto-calculate the package weight based on your settings for accurate quotation. Sync your Shopify product SKU and input package and item weight. Spaceship Pro will auto-calculate your shipping quotations. From your Shopify stores to Spaceship Pro, sync all products in seconds. See you next time.